afternoon, everyone. We are here May 24th on a Saturday, 2025, Memorial Day weekend. We are taking you for a trip in the campground of Tabor Lake. Tabor Campground. Tabor Campground.
Tabor Campground at Turquoise Lake.
Yeah, that.
Outside of Leadville. Let's see. Day use area, Lady of the Lake. Picnic area is left. I can't quite see it. I think it says $29. There is a boat ramp here, along with the matchless boat ramp that's over by the dam. And this is another one of those where it's just a bunch of campsites in a parking lot.
So you have to pitch your tent in the parking lot?
No, this is like for RV parking. There's that other loop that had the tent sites, which we'll loop around and see the tent sites. This is another one of them that we recorded back in 2016 that we wanted to do a new updated video of. This part up here is not too bad. There's some, it's still parking lot like. So there's 8 and 7. I think it's one, could be 8 down to 1. It's 10, oh that was 9, 10, 11, 12 on the left. Unless you want to get access to the lake with a boat. This is not one I just come and camp out.
And wow, just like that, we are done at Tabor Campground at Turquoise Lake, outside of Leadville.
Lady of the Lake day use area. There's a hiking trail that goes over by Father Dyer Campground and possibly over to the Baby Doe Campground. Those are both just through the trees there. Let us know what you think of this one. Would you camp here or not? Thanks for watching. Check the interactive map on our website to see more campsites in this area. We've toured hundreds of campgrounds. Each pin on the map links directly to our video of that campground. And if the site accepts reservations, we've included the reservation link as well.